How to supercharge your Amazon ads with Publisher Rocket. If you're running Amazon ads for your KDP books, but you're not sure which keywords to target, Publisher Rocket makes it super easy. I open up the AMS keyword search feature and type in my niche, something like mystery. Rocket gives me a full list of high traffic keywords along with data like search volume, competition score, and estimated earnings. That way, I'm not just guessing what to include in my ad campaigns. I'm targeting phrases people are actually searching. Next, I will download the list and plug those keywords straight into my Amazon ad dashboard. It saves me hours and helps my ads perform way better. Want to level up your ads and stop wasting money? Click the link in the description and try Publisher Rocket. It's the tool I use for every KDP campaign.